They don't like glare on that fender. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you're cutting inch lumber. That lies forward before it lets you draw up. Got that close to the nose. Close that is. That's the worst thing about cutting inch lumber right there. And that board's just a touch stick. I don't know if Mother will accept it or not. See what she says. I believe she let it pass. I'll be back in a minute. Big old log. Boy, them some good looking logs now, I tell you. Glad to see them. Here we go. Mother's moving some logs. That is some Jim Dandy logs. Them's about the capacity of our mill. I'd say them better than 3 foot at the little end. I mean big end. Big end. Awful good log. And that over yonder, that's this kind of junk. Now them right there, them is some good logs. Ain't not a thing wrong with them. See, we got them on, them about as big logs as we had on the carriage. Them logs down there is way bigger. Them over yonder is just kind of junky, but I know there was a boy that brought them. He's a good friend of mine. He told me there was. We won't have to pay hardly as much for them. So, thanks for watching. Talk just in your normal voice. Let's see what kind of video it'll take.
What do you want me to say? Just anything?
Just anything. Say how you feel.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Doing good. What are we going to do tomorrow?
We're going to saw.
Well, if it rains.
I'm going to go to the doctor.
Yeah, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow.
I don't care. I still got to go to the doctor.
But we won't be able to saw if it rains.
Maybe not. We'll try.
I hope it don't.
I hope it don't too. Let's see how this does.